Hey, what's up, casters, reloaders, and shooters? Thanks for joining my channel. This is Kenny from Eagle Eye Shooting, and welcome to the Eagle's Nest on the road. So, I wanted to make a little quick video to introduce to you folk and for my viewers out there about three guys that have just amazing talent and are just very skilled at what they do. Surprisingly, I knew they were going to be sending some packages. I didn't know they were going to come both the same day. I pretty much know what's in these boxes, but this video is mostly just to introduce to you guys about these three folk. So we're going to open up this one. This one is from Coates Brothers Firearms. Those guys know what they're doing. I tell you right now, if you're into long range shooting and casting, these guys are just, they're doing it. They're making it happen. They're just great shooters. They know how to handle a rifle, and they're doing amazing work. They're just very down to earth folks. Their videos are very fun. You can tell that they just enjoy what they're doing and they're just having fun doing it. So, like I said, these guys are very talented. They definitely deserve more subs for what they do. They have a lot of knowledge and they are just willing to share. They're just humble guys and they're very knowledgeable. I actually talk to them occasionally and ask a bunch of questions. So I'm just a noob shooter, so I'm learning a lot of things off of them. Like I said, these guys are really cool. Go check them out. I'll put a link in the description below. His channel, and like I said, they got a cool video of them shooting the long range pistol can challenge for the Reloaders Network. So let's open this up. Let's see what they sent. All right, tell you right now, some really good packaging. I wish I'd come up with stuff like this. You know what? I could definitely use these. I got my full-size German Shepherd in this little trailer. And she likes to do her duty outside a lot, so hey, thanks for that. So, alright, we got us a zip baggie of bullets. Alright, awesome. Alright, so in their past video they shot a .308 Winchester out to like 600 yards with a cast lead bullet, and the bullets they were using were these NOE XBC bullets. So let me get one of these out so you guys get a better look. I thought about buying this mold, but I had other things come up which took precedence over my purchases. So wow, that is an awesome looking bullet. So just get this camera to focus. There we go. Check that out. This is a gas check design with lube bands. The bands aren't too deep, so these could work for powder coating, but I'm actually going to traditionally lube this thing. I'm just going to pan lube it and put a gas check on. And you can see there, yeah, look at that awesome base these guys casted up. So, man, I wish my my castings looked like this. I'll tell you what, I'm really happy, really excited to get into this. I think, let me see what the diameter is. If these are around a 310, I may be able to try them out. Let's see what diameter these are. If these are about a 310, I may be able to try them out on my SKS and also my 30-06. So my main rifle I'm actually going to try these out are going to be on a 30-06, but if I have some left, I'll definitely try it out on the SKS and get back into casting. It's been a while. So alright, so these are 311. Perfect. Alright, so these will work definitely for the SKS. I am really happy to get into this, and it looks like they sent me also a little card with some load data and some tips. So these will get you to about 2,000 to 2,400 FPS. Man, IMR 4831, 4350, reloader 15. Okay, I got reloader 15. 4831 I could definitely pick up. 4350, that's been a ghost for me. I may just have to order it online. And 414, okay. Alright, Coach Brothers Firearms, you guys are awesome. I'm really happy you guys sent me this. I know you also sent out a few others, I believe one to Tim to try out. And you guys did an awesome job. And thank you for this. Alright, this box is from Shane. He's got a kind of a new channel. He's getting into reloading. And I've been kind of encouraging him to make videos because there's a lot of folk out there that are new to reloading as well, and they definitely want to have an insight with the process and the tribulation they're going through. So folks that want to get into reloading, Shane, definitely keep up your videos, and let's see what you sent me. By the way, his channel is OPT. OPT FFD. Hopefully I didn't butcher that. I'll put a link in the description below as well as the comments. Alright, let me put my purse down. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I got this open, reading his letter. Just basically thanking me. And I apologize, I did butcher his name. It's OP25 TTFD. So I'll put a link as well as flash it here on the screen, right about here. Alright, Shane. This is awesome. I'm really excited to see how well this turned out. Shane is into reloading, and he also have a little hobby on the side, and he does carving. This is something he just got into, and I tell you right now, this guy has a lot of talent on what he's doing. I believe he's doing it with just a Dremel. He made Willie Bulletman a plaque as well. I'll tell you right now, brother, I love the smell of this stain and lacquer. I don't know. It kind of reminds me of my woodshop days back in high school, when high school was really high school. But man, that is awesome, dude. Wow. Alright, I gotta show this off. He made me my logo on a nice, looks like acacia or oak. No, it's a little too light. For kind of, yeah, I think he'll chime in, let me know what kind of wood this is. But look at that, man. Let's see if I get a better photo. Man, that is a lot of talent. It's got my Eagle Eye logo and the Reloaders Network. And that's all hand carved, stained. You see the grain on the wood. That's awesome, dude. I am very, very, very honored that you did this for me. Never got anything like this, and this will be proudly hung right above my reloading bench once I get to my house. But man, check that out, guys. That is a lot of talent. Shane, you're awesome, dude. And like I said, folks, you need to check him out. Go check out his channel. Definitely encourage him to keep doing what he's doing here. I think he does want to do stuff for other people, but he just kind of is getting into it and basically wants to get a better carving machine. So I think I got a plan to kind of help him out on that. I think we could get together, folks, and get him the proper tools. That way he could do his work of art right here. And this is something he loves doing. So Shane, thanks very much, brother. I really am happy on this. Thanks very much. This is awesome, dude. Can't wait to like I said, hang that, and that way every time I'm reloading, I know my buddy Shane made this. So I also did get a few other things that I personally bought myself. Really don't want to show it off because it's going to give it away on the next video into the 6.5 Creedmoor series. But folks that are following me on Slack, I usually put little hints on my channel there, so you guys probably see what's coming up. Other than that, I'm very happy. Coach Brothers Firearms. You know, we're going to be getting into some cast lead bullets for long range, and maybe I might be able to use these for a full lead taco giveaway VR. Who knows? So we'll see what this journey entails with these XPC bullets from NOE, and see if I can do some long range with it. I've always wanted to shoot at least 600 yards plus with a cast lead bullet, so we'll check that out. We'll see what I can do. And Shane, again, brother, that's awesome, dude. Continue what you're doing. You are really good at it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.